he's covering fire right down the side, so Elvis can move up again.
Go! Right side, get in there!
Get the saw gun, get... Oh, shit.
Sorry, man.
We already got people inside the building. Here, get.
Shit, jam.
Building left side!
You alright?
Jammed. There we go. I'm up.
Let's go!
How bad is it?
Alright.
Can we do slow advances?
Hey!
Left side. One guy. Two guys.
Hey, Matt, go left side!
One moving up. Left side.
Left side! Left side!
Focus on fire, right there.
There you go. Matt, right side is
Hey, I need someone. Hey, I need some range over here. Who has range? Do you have range?
Alright!
Building right there.
Hey! White barrier! White barrier! The left side is pushing! Let's go! Left side!
Hey, in building! Keep it up. Again, left.
Good! Move up while we have to go! I'm going for
Go. Don't think. Just go. Left side.
Slow. Keep firing out here in the building here. They're all behind there. Keep it.
I am.
Go on, get out of here! Hit! Go! Run!
Deploy! Come in! Anyone on left side?
One left side, EKA.
Hey, you! Tell them not to push up! Tell them to spread out! Hey, tell you guys to spread out! You guys getting mobbed! Back up on!
They're on the other side of that house.
Yeah, I can't hit that accurately. I'm hitting everywhere around the window, not the window.
Hey, don't get all the buildings! Spread out! Right side! Move out! Move out! Enemy right there!
Oh, he's dead. Oops. The one behind the...
There's one right here straight.
Yeah, that guy's not dead.
Right there.
Fuck. I want to move this saw up, but I don't want to risk it.
Yes, let him out!
Hey, watch out. They have 250 cals too. Right side. Just barely on my range. The gray building right here. One just got. Ah, I got sweat in my eyes. Coming!
I think there's one enemy in that building right in front of us. Hey, we can move up. Elvis, try to give us covering fire. We're going to try reinforcing the right side.
Okay. You want to go? Go!
Hey, Elvis. House, right in front of us. There's an enemy guy waiting. Oh. I got the window.
Okay.
Hit! Let it out! 10 seconds lead out, bud.
10 second?
10 seconds.
Oh. Smoke! Wait, yellow smoke?
Dude, which one? There's one there. There's one right here in the.
Yeah, I just saw him. Yeah, he just shot at me.
Alright. There's 3 now.
Wait, in that white building?
That would be. Yeah, there's 3 of them.
Which part? First, second, or third door?
It's on the first door.
Okay.
You see him?
Oh. I can't. That's kind of out of my accuracy range. You good?
Yeah, I'm gonna push up to the next plate. Okay. Ready?
Whenever you're ready.
Ready? Set. Go.
One booking it! That white building still?
Keep your head down.
Where?
Building to the cross.
Of course.
On the side of the wall.
Okay, we have a guy right there though. He'll probably get him. Keep on him just in case, but. He won't go anywhere. Yeah, you're clear. Just watch that gray building. I'm moving, guys.
Out, he's hit! Can't take a bleed out, bud.
Left side. This thing's fun. I don't understand why the little kid always wants to use it. Are you hit? Oh,
I'm ready. How many got in this one?
right here?
Yeah.
First window, first door.
Same door?
Yeah. The first guy got killed, but a new one's up.
A new one's right there?
Yeah. Oh, sorry, ref.
Go good, don't worry about it.
Got him. Hey, we have a sniper way back in junkyard. Hit.
Yeah, let him out!
You guys back up on left. See those slopes?
feet are burning.
That's jet side.
Matt, left center or what?
Take a break. Are you ready to go?
Yeah,
Where were you?
I was at center.
Go left side.
Yes, sir.
If you start feeling hey, as soon as you hit that wall on left center, you're gonna look to your left. There's an orange building and then a long white one. That's the one we're contending for. I need fire in that building.
Yes, sir.
Hey, here, get that guy in the corner.
Get to that corner.
Get low, get low. You see on the left corner there?
Hey, where are they in the building?
I'm out. You can't make me right in the face.
Right, we gotta push this up now. Yeah.
Here, are they in this building?
Let him out, let him out!
Fuck. Hit the wall.
Oh, this guy's right over there. Guys, look
On his balls.
Sorry.
How you doing?
I'm in.
You're back.
Yeah.
Okay.
I died a couple minutes ago. I was just resting.
Yeah. Are you sure you're good to go?
Yes.
All right. I need you on the left.
Yes, sir.
And I need you to rally. We gotta start bunny hopping small structures.
Okay.
I don't care if it's 3 guys at a time. We gotta get some more forward momentum. Slow down.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Squad leader wants us to start bunny hopping structure the structure. We got a guy on us. Oh, sorry. Yeah, he wants us to bunny hop structure the structure. I'm such a fucking idiot. I keep running.
My gun keeps freaking something and it won't shoot. Oh. You got no range over there.
I know.
You need to get closer.
For Soviet Union, I will suppress fire. Why am I not shooting? Not shooting.
That's what dirt in there.
I hate borrowing people's guns because I don't know how they work. Ah, there we go. That worked.
Yeah, allow them feeding first, then before you fire.
Sir.
Where do you wanna go?
Okay, they're on the back side of the brown building
My
too.
gun's not really working.
Matt wants me to help you guys bunny hop up and up and up, but I can't. Yeah.
What?
Here. I'm going to move through this first entrance and cover support
You got
diagonally.
no range. Save your ammo.
Are you behind the wall now?
No, we're still just waiting for people to move.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Where are they?
2 by 12. In that building. You're straight ahead. In the room. Careful.
Oh shit, yeah. I didn't even get to see. I just saw the BBs fly by me.
Okay, on the count of 2.
I'm gonna push through this side. Here.
There is one guy way deep. I don't know if he's got a sniper rifle, but
I don't think he
got
does.
an AG, he's out of range.
I can tell. If that was him, he's definitely in range.
Hit.
Coming back. I'm just throwing ammo in.
Breathe.